Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can close your Shazam app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to open the settings and now you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen, where you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the control center. So once you find it, which is at the bottom of this general option, simply tap on that control center and now you'll be redirected to the control center section where you can see the music recognition at the bottom of this screen. So what you need to do is you simply need to tap on the minus icon and you can see remove option pops out. So what you need to do is simply tap on that remove and yeah, you'll be able to close your Shazam app successfully. So if you want to see a demo, then let me slide it from the top right corner and you can see there is no Shazam apps on the screen. So basically this is how you can close your Shazam app, and if you're still encountering any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.